ADC's multi-cuff blood pressure kits combine convenience, versatility, and value. Our System 5 is a complete, compact, and portable blood pressure solution, perfect for medical professionals on the go, including paramedics and home health nurses. The heart of the System 5 is ADC's revolutionary diagnostics brand palm manometer. The gauge includes an integral bulb and an ambidextrous trigger-style air release valve for convenient one-handed operation. The Japanese-engineered movement is housed in a zinc safety cage for rugged durability and is backed by a lifetime calibration warranty. The kit comes complete with ADCuff blood pressure cuffs in 5 sizes: child, small adult, adult, large adult, and thigh. Our quick-release bayonet connectors allow you to rapidly change cuffs in the field. All components can be neatly organized in the heavy-duty attaché-style storage case. Measuring 10 by 9 by 4 inches when closed, the case is compact enough to fit in most emergency bags or trauma boxes. Trust ADC's System 5 portable sphygmomanometer to help you capture accurate blood pressure measurements, wherever your job takes you. Learn more at www.adctoday.com.